Today's breakfast is very simple. Only sliced bread. This one. Mine is coffee. My daughter is juice. So good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday to all of us. Good morning. Good morning, my friends, viewers, subscribers, and my husband too in Japan. Happy Saturday. Today's meal is simple, just only bread, sliced bread. Put egg, mayonnaise, and raisin. That's all. And with drinks. Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday. Kamusta, kamusta? Kamusta man mo diha? Kamong tanan, kamusta? Ako okay lang. Akong anak okay ra pod. Good morning, good morning.